Hey everybody, it's Philip with High Desert Community Watch. Telling you about a new program I'm going to be getting involved with here in our local Victorville area here in Old Town where I reside. And I was out the other morning and we were recording a fire here a couple blocks here in the Old Town Victorville. And I met this young lady who is an activist, and she runs this R.O.O.T, which is reviving our old town, and is talking about Old Town Victorville. And I'm going to be helping them out get their word out. And it's great. They go door to door. They find out what the community thinks and needs. They have a plan. I mean, it's really, you guys really got to check this out. It's really, really planned out. She's been doing it for 3 years, I believe. And High Desert is going to start helping get the word out. They're also going to have a playground build next week that we want to invite everybody in the High Desert to on the 15th. They need about 100 volunteers. It's a big playground, and it's going through the Family Assistance Program. And you'll see, I'm going to be going out to church with her tomorrow and making a little video, and she's all excited about what she does, and you guys will see. I'm going to be working with her and Miss Jennifer and the other people involved in this. I'm going to help spread the word out, and we're going to get involved. The kids and I will be there, so we're inviting everybody on the 15th, and I'll have a video, and she can explain more tomorrow. But remember, you guys, R.O.O.T, revive our old town. You guys look it up. Thank you guys for your support. Appreciate it. Good morning, everybody. It's Sunday morning, and I want to bring a. Yes, I was at church today, but there's a reason why I was at church today. I'm beginning to be a part of this organization of a group called R.O.O.T, which is restoring our old town, which this is where we live. This is Old Town Victorville, which I am a resident of. So we are here. Miss Jennifer, good morning. Good. We have Miss Stephanie here. And what they're trying to do is raise awareness, and we're trying to get volunteers to build a playground. And this is all done by the residents here in the community of Old Town Victorville. This is Old Town Victorville. The street over here is 7th Street, the main street here in Victorville. So I'm going to be working here with Miss Stephanie and Miss Jennifer, which we are neighbors. We all live here in the community. We're going to help to raise awareness. We're going to use my channel to help them raise awareness, to get volunteers, and to have the community. These ladies go door to door and ask people what they perceive to be the problems in the community, and they came up with a chart. It's pretty impressive. And here's where you sign up if you want to volunteer.
Yeah. Do you want to sign up? It doesn't hurt.
So yeah, I'm going to be working here with R.O.O.T, is the name. R.O.O.T, which stands for Restoring Our Old Town. And this is Old Town Victorville. This is Miss Jennifer and Miss Stephanie here in the yellow. I'm going to be working close with Miss Stephanie to get her message out. And I'm going to start helping out too. It was nice that I ran across them at a fire a block from here. And we got to talking, and Found some other activists, guys. These ladies go door to door, walking it, not talking it. So there's no way that I cannot get involved after she told me her story. The kids and I will be here. We're going to invite some friends next Saturday. I believe it's the 15th. But next Saturday is going to be the build day. So this is going to be a special invitation. Miss Stephanie, what's the date next Saturday?
Saturday is September 15th.
Okay, so Saturday, September 15th. I'm going to do a little clip for you guys, and I'm going to put it in front of all my videos. And we're going to ask the community to come together and help Miss Stephanie, Miss Jennifer, and all of us. It's awesome. They have I'm going to have Miss Stephanie tell you. Hey, Miss Stephanie, can you tell them what you guys did with the community center? How you guys got turned that into? Just a real quick statement.
Yeah, so the community center is off 6th and C Street. It used to be a vacant building. It was vacant for 3 years, and we knew from everyone in the neighborhood that they wanted to see a community center and a youth center down in our neighborhood. So we worked with the family services and the different community partners to really push the city of Victorville to let us turn that into a community center. And now we have a community center down here. So we want to build a park, we want to build playgrounds, we want to just do everything for our community so our kids have somewhere safe to go.
There you go, and you see that excitement? That's how she got me. But no, it's good to see other people actually doing stuff in the community. And she can testify that if we had 20, 30 more people doing what she's doing, it would be a much better community. So we thank you, Miss Stephanie. And you'll be seeing Miss Stephanie a lot on my channel. Any events that they have coming up will be highlighted here. And this is St. Joan of Arc Church, who's working with Miss Stephanie also, and they let her do her announcements, and we're trying to reach the community. This church is right smack in the middle of Old Town Victorville, and if you guys know anything about Old Town, it's not the nicest place. It's a beautiful little community, but we're trying to make it better. So you guys please remember R.O.O.T, R-O-O-T, restoring our Old Town. Thank you, Miss Stephanie, for letting me a part of it. Miss Jennifer. Say hi, Miss Jennifer. Hi. This is Miss Jennifer. And she's also a neighbor. We all live here in the community, so we're going to start trying to rally up our neighbors to come and help and restore this community. So, yeah, we're going to be, I'm going to put a little clip before every video this whole week that's going to highlight the date next Saturday, so you guys don't forget. Alright, so there's good news. How many people, Miss Jennifer? 76?
We have 76 to sign up so far, and we need 176 of these people to volunteer. We're hoping for 200, but we'll settle for 176, so maybe 100 more.
Alright, well, we're going to see what happens, and no matter what, even if there's only 80 of us, we're going to still build it.
Yeah, rain or shine.
I'm going to bring all my equipment, my saws, everything. So I'm bringing the kids. We're going to bring some other friends. And so there you go, guys. Please, if you guys live in Old Town or if you're anywhere in Victorville or the High Desert, if you guys want to help, trust me, you'll be blessed.
Make a difference in the community.
Make a difference in your life and in the community. Do something for somebody else. Thank you, guys.